If you look at the prices of the NFT, it could range from low to high, and some are being sold at ridiculously high prices. And the trading currency is Ethereum. And if you know anything about Ethereum, you know that the price is high right now. So these guys are making quite a lot of money, and it keeps going on and on and on. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can make money with NFTs as a complete beginner. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notifications bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, let's return to the video. Now, if you're not sure what an NFT collectible is, there are different types of versions of them. Many artists sell their digital art for cryptocurrency, specifically Ethereum or Cardano. There are also types of NFT collectibles that get released, and you can do what we call minting, and you can mint these specific NFTs. And there are different variations and some rarer than others. So for example, there is a picture of a koala bear, and it has different variations as they have specific rarities and traits. You can check how unique they are on the rarity score depending upon their unique characteristics, and it gives it a particular rarity score. The rarer the NFT, the more money you can make by selling this on the marketplace. But how do you find these NFTs? What is the minting, and how would you get them at the lowest price possible? And how can you find active communities? And how can you get into this to make some money? I'm going to show you all of that in this video. Now, this is going to be a super quick video. It's perfect for beginners who don't need to jump in and go against all the more giant whales or anything like that. This has got no confusing methods, and I'm going to try and keep this as simple as possible. And in this video, I'll show you everything you need to do within 15 minutes. Alright guys, so if you are a complete beginner, the first step is to research what NFTs. A lot of you guys might not have any idea what they are and how they work. If you want to know the basics of NFTs, how they work, and what they essentially do, you can search and find some articles online to explain what they are. The first thing you can do is go to a website called MetaMask. I recommend you do it on a Chrome browser on a computer and install MetaMask for Chrome. Now, what this is an extension for Chrome, and this is going to be your wallet that you're going to use to purchase NFTs. I've already got it on my browser. What it will say to add it to your Chrome extension. When you add it, it will come up as an extension. Now it is ready to be used. When you add it to your Chrome browser, you will have to go through some instructions on signing up to MetaMask system, and essentially it will give you some private keys, and will take you through all the steps on how to set up your MetaMask wallet. It's straightforward to follow the instructions now to put Ethereum onto your MetaMask wallet. Go to buy, and then go down to deposit Ether and go to your account directly, and it's going to give you an Ethereum address. Okay, so this would be your address to send Ethereum to now. If you're a complete beginner, you will need to research how to send an Ethereum. But essentially, you should have Ethereum somewhere online, whether it's in your wallet, whether it's in an exchange, and this is what you would copy, and this is what you would send your Ethereum to. I'm going to assume that you know the basics of cryptocurrencies and how to send and receive cryptocurrencies, okay? Or you can buy it directly online. Now, the next step is to go to OpenSea.io. And what you will do is create an account. You won't have any NFTs. You can generate your account without a name. What do you want to do is you will go to the website, and there are two ways you can do it. You can go to MetaMask or use another option, but I'll prefer MetaMask. And go to Create. You just essentially follow the instructions and create an account. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to understand is why would people want to buy this type of stuff? Well, think of it like basketball cards or Pokemon cards or any other collectible things like this. Like the rare ones that you want to trade, you can go to Marketplace, and there's like all types of different categories. There's like artwork and domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, virtual world, and many more. You can click on all NFTs and all of the NFTs will pop up. Now this is probably all new to a lot of you guys. So let's just keep this completely simple for beginners. What I want to do is I want to focus on one specific NFT, and then I'll go through and tell you how you can make money with NFTs and explain the rarity and how all that type of stuff works. So we suppose there is an NFT called Drop Beer's NFT. and there are only 10,000 of these, and they are randomly generated pieces of art. They're all randomly generated. Each one is different, and they're all worth different types of money or Ethereum. How can they be worth something? It depends on the rarity of the art. We can do what we call minting, and you can actually mint them, and you don't know what type of rarity you're going to get when you mint them. So let me explain to you how that works. And this is when you start finding projects to get involved. Before we move on, I just want to show you something that will help you understand. So there's a thing called a floor price. And the floor price is quite important because the floor price is the lowest possible price that these are being sold. So keep this in mind. Now, you could quickly just go and buy NFTs and hopefully they go up in the future, or you could buy real ones and stuff like that. But it would help if you got the NFTs before they come onto the marketplace because the floor price can go up. For example, if the total price of an NFT is 6.6 Ethereum, these are selling for like thousands upon thousands of dollars. But when these were created, called minting, these were not 6.6. They went up a lot in value. So you must be minting these if you can. And the kind of money you can make with this is crazy. So let me explain what minting is and how you can make money before it was even on the marketplace. Now, I want to warn you guys that this stuff is risky, right? This stuff will only sell when someone else is willing to pay for it. You can't just liquidate it whenever you like. You can only liquidate it when someone else is willing to purchase this from you. Okay, you must try and get rare NFTs. So let me show you how to make money with NFTs. Alright guys, so the next step is to come over to a website called Rarity Tools, and I'm going to show you two things here. First, I will show you what minting is and how it works. And then, I'm going to show you how to research the next project you might want to get into. So step number 1 is to click on Upcoming, and this will show you all of the NFT artworks that are coming out. And there are a lot of them. This is for beginners, so I'll tell you how to mint it and explain how it works. So if you click on this Posies Club right on this website, it will take you to another website. What you can do is to go to Mint Posies. Okay, and your wallet will pop up and then you go to Connect and it will be connected. Then you will go to that how many you want to mint and you can mint 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. Okay, now let's just say you want to mint 1. So you can buy, and it shows up and it tells you that you can buy one for so and so the price. It will take about maybe up to a minute. You will then have it in your profile, and then you own this NFT. Okay, and then you can do whatever you like with this NFT. People will start giving you offers. You can sell it if you want, but that's essentially what you do. It's called minting. All the NFTs are different. They have their other traits. They're different everything, and some are rare and some are not. This is the best way to get it because you're getting them for the cheapest before they hit the market. So how do you know which one you should go for next? Research is your best friend. Don't just come here and pick anyone. The best thing to do is to scroll down to released ones in at least a week or more. There are a few things you want to do. Number 1, you need to like the art. Hey, I like this art, it looks pretty cool. And then go to their Twitter. See how many followers are there? It would help if you went through with people that have over 2,000 followers. Remember, the project is only as good as its community. You want to make sure they have a community. You want to make sure that followers aren't fake. If they have like 10,000, 20,000 followers, and it's like a new project, they're probably fake accounts. And you can also get to go down and see how active things are. This is the number 1 thing you want to go and check first. The next thing is to go into the Discord on the Rarity Tools. Okay, and you are going to join the Discord. Now, they have 3,000 members, which was really good. The thing about the Discord is that you must stay away from projects with over 10,000 members. The reason is that when you're going to mint and they get released, the ones that have lots of members and have heaps of hype, you're probably going to miss out on the minting because all of the giant whales will come and buy everything up, and you're going to miss out anyway. So it's not worth trying to follow those big ones. You want to go for the small projects, but they have a lot of potential later on. So here you go, accept the invite. Now, this is important. You want to stay here for about a week, 3 or 4 days, and you want to see what the development team does. What does the team do? Do they help their community? It would help if you got involved for a few days, talk to people, and look at the roadmap. This is important if they have a good roadmap and plan. So you must read the roadmap and make sure that you resonate with this. And this is something you want to get involved in. More importantly, you want to make sure that admins and founders are on all the time. You'll find projects where the founders and admins are never online, and you know that those will probably be bad launches. So you want to stay away from those launches, okay? So these are the two things that you want to look out for when you're going for these specific things. So you also want to make sure they have a good website, but you want to make sure that you are aware of the community and want to make sure it's a good, solid community that this website has, as we can see. The rarer it is, the more money you could potentially sell it for. It's only worth what someone's willing to pay. But this is kind of how it works. You want to try and mint the rarest once. It's kind of like a lottery, and I guess if you think about it. So that's how you can make money with NFTs, is find projects that are getting released in the next week or so. Study those projects, be active, go to Twitter, see if they've got followers, and then when it's mint day, go and mint some, and you could potentially sell them for money on OpenSea. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.